Because in Haridas Thakur, because that's also true, all these points are true because the glories of the holy name are unlimited. There's no limit to the glories of Krishna or his holy name. They're non-different. Bina tvam nama namano. Bina tvam namano. There's no difference between Atasri Krishna Namadi, Nabhaved Graham No, it's the Nama Chintamani Krishna, Chaitanya Rasa Vigra. Purna Shuddha Nityamukta Bina tvam nama namano. So holy name is Purna Shuddha, completely pure and purifying, and completely liberated. So however you chant, whether you're chanting, you want to chant your japa aloud, and you like that, fine. Because in Haridas Thakur and Chaitanya Bhagavat, when he's preaching in a particular circumstance to some people who were challenging him, they're saying, oh, you're chanting Hare Krishna out loud. Well, maybe he was doing kirtan. We don't know whether he was doing japa out loud or not. But the criticism, if you look closely to the story, he says, why are you chanting Hare Krishna out loud? They didn't say japa kirtan. There's no word there. He said, in Shastras it says you should chant in your mind, which is true.